Yes, hello guys. Here we are today, and we will be making an EA using this free account on FXDreama. So we're gonna be making a trend expert EA that follows the trend. So we will be using a. Let's get started. So first, we're gonna put our no trade here because we have a limited connections only. So as much as possible, we made these connections just a little bit small or a few only, so we just have to use this condition like the what do we call this the moving average only. So once the candle, so let's use the candle, so the candle is open because if the market is running, so when it crosses above the moving average that we're gonna put on our EA, for example, this is a 20 moving average, so we just have to use this one and then for a buy position. So let's try this one. So if I haven't teach you yet how to put a constants on this one, so just follow my steps. So we're gonna put a lot size in here, the SL and the TP. So I think we're gonna add some trailing stops on this one. So gonna use trailing stops, and then just follow my tutorial, guys. So if you haven't followed yet on my YouTube channel, you can click the subscribe button in there. So this is the constants that we are gonna be using right now. Okay, let's get it on. So for now, we're gonna be using a fixed volume only. So just put it in there, then the SL and the TP. So you can either add your comments in here, guys. You can put any comments on your EA. So that's how you're gonna put the comments in there. Anything that you want. So we're gonna click the update button on the cell. Also, you're gonna put this constants. So this one, I will just have to copy this one and then put it in here. We just have to reverse it. So crosses below. So the candle open crosses below 20 simple moving average. Yeah, you can select an EMA or something in there, but I will use the simple. So for the trailing stop, guys, this is how you put a trailing stops in there. So just like that. So this is so very simple, guys. Just follow the steps only. So our constants will be putting it in here, just like that. So you just have to select the bid for buy and ask for sell. So it will trail once there's a profit only, because if you use the reverse one, will be it will move uh, instantly even without profits. So this one pips offset this one. So just like that, guys. So let's just test this EA. So this is so very simple, guys. So very simple. Okay. Let's copy this one, and we're gonna go to our MT4. So this is a live markets, guys. This is my account and FBS. So it's better to use the uh, just like that. And then we're gonna be using the Euro USD. So I think this is just for our test only. So just go to the inputs, and we're gonna be using a one lot, for example, and then the SL will be 50, and then 150 pips. For that, the trailing stop will be 50, then 1, then 50. So this is just an example, guys. We're gonna see through it if the EA follows our conditions. So let's start this one. Let's check. So this is a Euro USD, guys. So as you can see, guys, okay, let's try to put the moving average so we can see. So this is one is a 20. This is the one that we use a simple moving average. As you can see, guys, so the candle here crosses below, so it takes a sell, right? Let's check. As you can see here, so it crosses right here, I guess. So it takes a sell on this entry. So let's move forward. So about the stop loss, we didn't see the stop loss. So the second entry. Okay, maybe we just have to edit the conditions. So let's close this one, and we use a once per bar. So the EA will trade once it crosses below or above. Let's check. So it's up to you guys if what's the condition you want to put on this one. This is the simple EA only. So let's try to use the date. So January 31, just like that. So this is on M5. Let's check again. So as you can see, guys, it trades our based on our conditions. So I think the balance is very low. That is why. So we use a one lot size, you know. So let's try it again. As you can see, there's a lot of trades because we use a once per bar condition. So as you can see, guys, there is a SL that is moving already. That was our trailing stop loss. So as you can see, guys, it's all the entry here is sell, but all of the buys are already been closed because it hits the stop loss. As you can see, I think this is promising, but it's very risky also because it trades a lot, you know. As you can see, our equity is almost but as you can see, we use a 10,000 balance, but the balance right now is 27k, 32k. But this is a very risky EA, guys. So I think this is all for tonight, for today, guys, and hope to see you on my next video. Thank you, and come again. Bye bye.